Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is the second part of our road trip to Ring of Kerry. Till now, it has been a wonderful day as we have covered Ross Castle, Macross House, and Talk Waterfall. Please check out the first part to see these amazing places. You can find out the link in the description box or you can get it in the I button at the end of this video. Let's continue the drive, and the next destination we would be stopping at is Ladies Viewpoint. Ladies View got its name because of the pleasure expressed by Queen Victoria's ladies in waiting on their visit to this spot in 1861. This was Ladies View. There was a restaurant at the back, so you can enjoy your food with an amazing view. Moving forward, next we will be stopping at Moles Gap, and it is a pass on the N71 road from Kenmare to Killarney. From here we can see the Ireland's highest mountain, which is Caranto Hill. Moles Gap and Ladies View are very famous among the tourists as they can have amazing photos with this beautiful background. The Ring of Kerry is a scenic drive around the circular route of 179 kilometers. The drive through Ring of Kerry will take you from deep forest to the crashing waters of wild Atlantic. The road over here is going through rugged and majestic landscape, and you will get to see mind-blowing views throughout your drive. Now let's move forward to our next destination, which is Stagstone Fort. It is around 66 kilometers from Moles Gap. So here we are at Stag Fort, and it's a stone ring fort, and it is believed that it was built during the late Iron Age. So let's go and we'll see how it looks from inside. Amazing thing about this fort is that it was built without using mortar and undressed stones. The fort walls are up to 5.5 meter high in places, and walls are very thick as you can see, and it is around 4 meters at the bottom. Next, we would be stopping at Waterville Town, and it was the favorite holiday spot of Charlie Chaplin and his family. There is a statue of him in the center of the village, and almost every tourist stop here to take a photo with the statue of Charlie Chaplin. Let's move forward as we does not have much time left in a day, and we need to get back to Dublin as well. So the next tourist spot in Ring of Kerry is Kerry Cliffs. As you can see, it is very windy right now, and walking to the other end would be another challenge for us. These cliffs stand over 1,000 feet above the wide Atlantic, and out to the west stand the amazing Skellig Rocks, which is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site in Ireland. Moving towards our last destination in Ring of Kerry, which is the birthplace of Daniel O'Connell. He was born on 6th of August 1775, and he was an Irish political leader in the first half of the 19th century. So guys, this was Ring of Kerry, and it is one of the most famous tourist attraction in Ireland. Now we'll head back to Dublin. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you have enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel. Take care and stay safe. See you in the next video.